I love AI and machine learning, don't get me wrong.
So let me ask you a little bit about the future. You know, one of
Yeah,
one of the big buzzwords we're hearing here,
AI, right?
you know it. You knew
AI,
I was coming to that.
100%. So look, you told me we were going to ask about the future, right? And I have a particularly strong opinion about AI. I love AI and machine learning. Don't get me wrong. Anyone out there, please don't Twitter bomb me or whatever people do these days. I love AI. I love machine learning. But you can kind of think of it in some ways, particularly in the financial services industry, as the ultimate black box, right? Because
Mm.
let's take fraud screening as an example, right? You effectively outsource all of your transactions to a fraud screening solution that's AI powered, and it's going to reject a bunch of transactions. It's going to accept hopefully a lot more transactions. But if you want to then say, okay, I'm being asked why those transactions are getting rejected, that's something that's really difficult to do with an AI model because, you know, a lot of the times the patterns and the algorithms is the wrong word, but the patterns and the models that it's using to actually reject these transactions, for example, you can't interrogate them in that way. And so I think that's going to be one of the biggest challenges for financial services in the future as we embrace this new world of AI and machine learning to automate more and more of what happens. I think auditability is actually going to really suffer. And I think it's going to be incumbent on in the next 3, 4, 5 years, for businesses that are implementing some of these tools to ensure that they do what they can to make it as auditable as possible.